In this Newswave AI review, I'm going to be showing you a product that creates self-updating viral news website in any niche. Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Newswave AI is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get Newswave AI at any time during this video, make sure you click the link down below which can give you my exclusive bonuses which you're gonna be getting in the members area right inside Warrior Plus. Now let me show you my bonuses. So there's a total of 20 bonuses in which 10 of them is video special and 10 of them is traffic special bonuses. So the 10 video special bonuses are listed here, which is the master YouTube influence, video marketing domination, and it goes on till background 4K stock videos. And here you can see that it is given in detail. All the bonuses are given in details. You can go through them. I'll put a link about the bonuses in the link in the description. And now comes the bonus pack 2, which has got 10 traffic special bonuses. It includes list building on a budget, email monetizer, extreme list build plugin, traffic machine, 10K blueprint, and it goes all the way till list building with stories. It is further detailed here. You can have a look at it by clicking the link in the description. You can have a look at all the bonuses. Now let's get back to the sales page. So it says here, new harness the power of ChatGPT-4 to create automated viral news site with a single keyword in less than 60 seconds. So to understand this a little better, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how you can use Newswave AI to make self-updating viral news website in any niche. And after you guys watch the tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the different OTUs and upgrades. Before we jump into the OTOs and upgrades, let's have a look at the price of Newswave AI. So if you go to the sales page and if you scroll all the way down till here, you can see the price of Newswave AI is at $17. You can add this thing if you want, which will cost you $26.95. But if you don't add this one, it will only cost you $17. Now let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrades. So Newswave AI has a total of 7 OTOs, and the first OTO is the unlimited edition, which will cost you $47. Then comes the automation version, which will cost you $67. Then comes the done for you program, which will cost you $129. Then comes the profit sites, which will cost you $57. Then comes agency, which is $57, and then comes ChatGPT 4, which is $37. Then last OTO is the reseller, which costs you $97. So you can upgrade Newswave AI based on your needs. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of Newswave AI. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.